Have you ever thought about going back to college and furthering your education? Have you ever felt trapped in an unhappy work situation? Perhaps you thought that you don't have enough money to pursue your dream, or you don't feel like to travel and leave your family behind. Let me introduce you to the Islamic Online University, a higher education institution where you can improve your education and benefit tremendously from various programs in both worlds. In order to study at the IOU, you don't need to take a loan to attend university-level programs, and you don't need to travel and leave your families behind. IOU brings affordable, online, authentic, and high-quality education to your living rooms. You may obtain a certificate, an associate degree, or a degree at any of our 7 online colleges: Islamic Studies, Education, Psychology, Information Technology, Islamic Banking and Finance, Business Management, Arabic Language and Linguistics. Or perhaps Quran is your passion. Online University has excellent and customized memorization programs to satisfy your needs. Don't miss the opportunity to study under the renowned scholars and teachers at the IOU Quran Memorization College. Whatever your passion is, whatever you desire, the only thing standing between you and the success is you. Set your excuses aside. Aim high. Invest in your college education. That easy. If you want your life and work situation to improve, visit www.iou.edu.gm and take a step in